Alright, you guys, in Costco, the DJI Cosmo Pocket 3 gimbal camera bundle.
I like this better.
$729. Well, this is for a smaller one.
I mean, the other one you had to use your phone. This is just the camera itself.
Yes. And yeah, that's kind of cool, right? But it's going to be $729. Next to me, we have the GoPro 320. The Igloo right now, $39.99. This one does end on the 15th. And the wood pellet grill. Okay, this one is dropped $100, so it is $800 now. Ends July 7th. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have all the grills out, you know, for like summer 4th of July season. But it's $800.
Do you want a grill or a gimbal?
Do you want a grill or a dog?
Yeah.
Limit 5. $27 on the wooden folding table. And if you want the chair to match, it's going to be $59.99. So you can get a whole set for about like 80 something or $90. But it looks like
I guess the hype is over on this one.
$35.
When they showed that on The Mandalorian, I remember it sold out.
Oh, I don't watch that show. And the Duo, the lantern speaker, are going to be $100. I did share this in a previous video. Ooh, very nice. Okay, this one is new. This is $20. Ends June 8th. Your limit is 5. The Pathway security light. It is solar. The phone people are glaring me down. I am not walking over there. Sorry, buddy. I'm so tired of coming to Costco and they bother me. And I always say I'm nice, but I'm like, I'm done. Apricots. Okay. I don't think I've seen this one. $9.79 is 40 ounce for a 40 ounce. Apricots. Do you like apricots?
I don't know. Never had one.
Oh, what?
I heard that if you eat the seeds, are really good for you though.
You know what? And this guy hates fruit. Like, I didn't know till like much later on. They do have dates here. These are pitted. They're $8.
I don't like these ones.
What is your favorite date?
The medjool dates, the ones with the pits in them. These ones taste like raisins. The medjool dates, like the good ones, they taste like caramel.
Doesn't like fruit. And then I was eating pineapple. He's like, let me have pineapple. And it is sugary, very sugary. And he was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, it was funny. It's like weird. Okay, we had the fruit split right here. $10.99, a little variety pack. No added sugar. You got apple, pear, pineapple, raspberry, and apple, pear, strawberry.
If more fruit was crunchy like apples, maybe I'd eat it. But like everything's so mushy and stringy, I don't like it.
And then behind me, ooh, you know, I could cross. These are okay. I still have a few more left at home. These are $13.99. I actually had these in my cabinet for like over 2 months. But they have the rolls here for $10.99. And don't forget about the Lego candy. I mean, you could buy the small bag at the Dollar Tree. I was just over there. Pineapple Tidbits. I'm actually going to pick this up. Because I feel like I need some pineapple when I'm eating like my trail mix. I just need something. $12.99 here. Organic, dried. Siete green cookies, Mexican vanilla chocolate chip, hint of Mexican vanilla, gluten free, and they are vegan. $9.89. Okay, this one is new. It is Mexican rice bowl, plant protein, rice, veggies, and seasoning. 16 grams of protein, gluten free, soy free, non-GMO. Let's turn one around. Plant protein comes from peas, bean, rice, and veggies. make yourself a little mini taco bowl. Well, I know it's really funny. The other day I found an article and I was laughing with my husband because they said, I don't remember word for word how they worded it, but it was pretty much saying that Mexicans are going to get more arsenic in their system from eating rice. Is the way they've written it. I forgot.
Like, be careful, Mexicans, or something like that.
It was really funny.
Arsenic, your exposure to arsenic increased through rice or something like that.
We have the higher rate. I was like, okay.
It's like, did you forget like the whole of Asia that eats rice too? It's like, my God.
Yeah, it was kind of funny. They try to out us.
No, they're immune. Yeah. You Mexicans are not immune to arsenic. Yeah.
$15.89 from the yellow tuna. I just thought, the wording on it. I was like, what? And this one is new, $9.89. Are these dried? Oh no, it's a 6-pack. Are they dried? Are these the beans in the pouch? Okay, I think I've seen these like in Walmart. I just never tried it. But yeah, they have that. I thought it would be like dried beans in a pouch. I mean, that comes in handy.
But it's okay, Mexicans. Beans are still safe.
Okay, get out of here. Red Bull on discount, $31, ends June 8th.
Somebody was suing Red Bull because it doesn't really give you wings. So.
Oh yeah, that was some years ago though.
I don't think that's really going to go.
That was years ago. Let's see, 2-pound mozzarella. Actually, $5.39. Okay, not bad. And you get, 2 pounds. And this one over here is a 5-pound. A 5-pounder for $12.79. I was looking for mozzarella, so I was trying to do like the olive, like tomato and stuff, but tomatoes are on recall, so I'm like, eh. The French bread pepperoni 9-pack, $12.49. Is it really pepperoni? They're supposed to tell you on the front that it's real pepperoni. And you know, if you got the kids who just want chicken nuggets, they're $12.99, ends June 8th. Oh my gosh, I was smelling this from behind. It smells so good. $5. Oh gosh. And I'm always having trouble picking cantaloupe. I love cantaloupe. $5.79 for a 2-count. And everything on like this palette is on discount. So we have Unstoppables, $15.99. Here's everything. And then the Kirkland is $14.39. These all end June 8th. And then if you're needing paper plates, perfect. They have like the perfect spot right here. They got all the laundry detergent, plates, you name it. Summer is here. If you need the variety pack, you get 52 storage gallon, 46, 116, 108, 11.59, and June 6th. Actually, these I could save for school, but I do need more of these. $12.49. They got let's see, the slider ones. I never seen the slider. I'm in a new Costco. I always go to new Costco, so I'm all like, I've never seen this, because I'm used to like one original Costco that I frequent, and then like everywhere else I'm like, how come they don't have that at my Costco? $14.99. Your limit is 2, ends June 8th. And then next to me, the dry one, $13.49, ends June 8th, and your limit is 2. The duster is also on discount, $13.99, limit 2, ends June 8th. Okay. Oh man, you guys, I finally found my first scorpion of the season. Yay! And you know what? It was somewhere where I never expected, because normally if I find a scorpion, they're in like the kitchen ground, like somewhere like in the living room kitchen area. It was above the bedroom door. I was like, whoa, I know they crawl, but like we never had anything like near our rooms or anything, so that was a first. And I was like, oh my god. I don't know how, well, my husband spotted it above our door, and I was like, how the heck did you spot that? Because I had just vacuumed that whole area, like that hallway and everything. But yeah, First scorpion of the season. Peaches in Costco. Okay, we got yellow peaches. Ooh, these are $10.99 for a 4-pound. Next to me, $10.99. These are from like California. Oh, are these organic? These are white peaches. Okay. It just says non-GMO on the box, but that one doesn't say it. That sounds like, is this organic? But it doesn't say organic. It says white peaches, $10.99. Smells good though. They're ready to be eaten. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in the Costco. So on this Bacardi right here is $17, and I think it was about $17 also in Sam's Club, or $16 for the Bacardi like splash or whatever, the blue one. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Please stay safe out there. Give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I do need help. I am gonna say I need help with the YouTube algorithm, because my videos are just going low. I mean, I'm still gonna film, but it's just kind of weird because I don't know how to explain it. It's just odd. But yeah, it's just so weird because I have like all these subscribers. I get like maybe like 900 to 1,000 views, so it's just like really weird, but it does help me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.